Hello, this is your multi-hull expert Caroline.LaViolette with the Catamaran Company. Welcome aboard the Lagoon 42 Hull 2015. And welcome aboard hull 2014. Both of these cats sailed across the Atlantic on their own bottom. Check it out. There are only 3 minor differences between hull 2014 and hull 2015, the washing machine being one of them.
2015 has a settee, 2014 has the desk and extra storage, radar on 2015, and an extra through hull for a future add-on water maker on hull 2015. The sterns are easily accessible from the tender or from the dock. Great visibility from the helm and everything at arm's reach, including electric winches. Enclosure over the helm. The hardtop and stairs to the roof are a nice option. Wide decks make it very comfortable to move around. In the port hull, we have a crew berth, which has the extra port light, mattress, and shelves. The 42 has a self-tacking jib, which makes sail handling as easy as possible. Chain locker and an Onan 13.5 kilowatt generator with dedicated battery, strainer, easy access to what you need. The windlass is in a great position, the chain run is unobstructed, and the anchor is at the best position right at the bow on the crossbeam. An ice maker here in the cockpit is a great addition for any cruising cat. Moving into the salon, we have large windows, bright spaces, and great ergonomics. The chart table and electrical panel are simple and well laid out. Moving down into the starboard hull, we have the master cabin. Here we're in hull 2014 with the storage cabinet and desk, as opposed to the settee that we'll see on hull 2015. Moving forward to the head, very well laid out, with a large separate shower. And electric flush heads. In 2015, we have the bench, desk, and incorporated washer dryer in the cabinet. Storage. Settee, settee, storage, settee, storage. Moving up into the salon, the space is very intuitive. We have a front-loading fridge and top-loading freezer. Moving down into the port hull, in the forward cabin, we have a full-size berth with access on two sides. Ensuite head and shower. And in the aft cabin, a queen-size berth with access on three sides. Also with ensuite head. And a separate shower stall. The windows and luminosity make this the best place to hang out, whether at anchor or in the marina. Both cats also feature the upgraded 57 horsepower Yanmar diesel engines.
Currently available on our Fort Lauderdale, Florida docks. Contact me to make an appointment and help you find your perfect oasis. Caroline.LaViolette at catamarans.com. See you on the water.